I'm Susan Lipkins. I'm the wife of David Wiebe, who was a client of the Buteyko Center USA. I actually took the courses with David, and I'm very glad I did, because I feel that my health has been affected for the positive from the Buteyko method. It's just an added advantage. I never had asthma, and I don't plan to have asthma in the future. But I've changed my style of breathing, and I have incredible energy, and I did have an enlarged adrenal gland here. It is now shrunken to almost nothing, and nothing was helping that at all. So I'm very happy to have that side benefit. David's health has been tremendously affected for the positive with Buteyko method. And if it wasn't for the Buteyko method, I don't know where we would be. He was having terrible trouble working. He's a violin maker. The dust from my wood, I'm a bow maker, was affecting his lungs as well. We might have had to have a change of careers. I don't know. But now we can have our careers. We can live the way we want to. And the cost benefit of time involved doing Buteyko exercises versus being able to have what lifestyle we want, it's really easy to decide.